Ira, how are you today?
I'm over the moon. What about you?
I'm doing well. So I know you're Ira, so do you know me?
Yes, you are Ayman.
Oh, that's really nice. I'm a big fan of you. I always see your videos.
I see your videos too. I am a big fan of you too.
They're amazing, your videos. Okay, so I know you're practicing present continuous. So today, I'm going to ask you some questions on this. Are you ready for that?
Of course, I'm ready for that.
Okay, first of all, what are you doing now?
I am talking with you.
Oh, I'm also talking with you. So are you going to visit anywhere next year?
Yes, I am going to visit next year with my cousins and my family.
Where are you going to visit?
I don't know, just I know I will go to visit next year.
Yeah, visiting is very good for health as it refreshes our minds.
Yes.
Now, are you reading any special books nowadays?
No, I'm not reading any special books nowadays because, I have lots of homeworks from my school. That's why I cannot read any special books nowadays.
Oh, that's really hard for you.
Yes.
But I can advise you to read some books like Harry Potter. It's a very amazing book and it's a storybook. It's magical.
Okay.
You can read this book and it will help you to improve your English.
Okay.
Now I have another question and that's very weird. Are you ready for that?
Yes.
Are you sleeping right now?
No, I'm not sleeping right now because I'm not allowed to sleep here and I am in my coaching.
Yeah, sleeping in a coaching is very bad habit.
Yes.
Okay, are you eating right now?
No, I am not eating right now, but I am talking with you.
Oh, sorry for asking this kind of questions.
No, don't worry.
Okay, you are so kind.
Thank you.
Okay, then are you practicing English nowadays?
Of course, I'm practicing English nowadays and my favorite subject is English.
Yeah, English is an international language. So where are you practicing English?
I am practicing English in Speak Up and also I practice English in my home.
Okay, you're improving your English day by day.
Yes.
Okay, now I have just another question.
Okay.
As I can see, you're a very good speaker and you're speaking well with me. And I'm not that much a good speaker. Will you help me to improve my English?
Of course, I will help you to improve your English.
Okay, when will you help me?
Of course, I will help you one day.
Okay, that's really nice. I get much fun talking with you.
Me too.
As I have said that you're a very good speaker.
Thank you for answering this to me.
Okay, I hope I will get another chance to talk to you.
Okay.
Okay, that's all for today.
Bye-bye.
Bye.